Welcome my people, Dancehall skilla there again, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so first up my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica went to a premises or a location and used force to enter a house. Now when I say force to enter a house, viewers and subscribers, I mean the video shows police using an object to force open something that some Jamaicans call grill or grills on a house. And once police officers, we can see in the video, got inside of the house, police grabbed at least one person and they can hear persons yelling and shouting in the video, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Now, many comments have been made on social media about this video. Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons talked about how police officers, we can see in the video, handle the situation. So I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at the video and tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in this video. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Observe.
That's why people always say I have bad police.
You have to pay for my bus.
Okay, I'm reaching back. Boy.
Yeah, 100 man squad here.
For a house full of children. For a house full of children as young as one. Be a bad man police. Nobody no want to show them ID. Nobody no want to tell them name. Nobody no want to do nothing.
Look how God good.
Be a bad man police.
Look how God good. That the picture don't take care of the man. Come out with face.
Be a bad man. Only baby.
Call the machine.
Be a bad man police. For a house full of baby.
You want price have to do there.
As young as 1 year old babies are in here. Watch it, bad man.
Hey, cover.
Govern. Especially this a Batman on there. So, Batman on there.
I do that job. I regular for real.
We don't have a problem pulling the grill. We don't. But that is not how we do the duty. That is not how we do the work. I'm gonna stand by and know it's wrong.
Like it, you are. Call that.
Open them hands.
Call that.
No, madam.
The boy.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Move. Man, put in her face. Sit down, dude.
So, me stop it right there, so my people. Me stop it right there, so because in other part of the video, then my people, you can hear persons yelling, shouting. I think I hear a scream too as well. At least one scream, I should say. So, I say, yeah. So the situation got somewhat hostile right there. So, all right. Now, my people, me don't even want to read some of the comments them. As I say about one of the comments them where really and truly grabbed my attention is when someone made a comment basically I say, who I got pay for that? I assume that the person I talk about what had been damaged on the house. You understand that I assume. You see me I say, but my people overall, the video has been talked about on social media. That's one of the reasons why I presented that video to you. You see me I said to you, my people, I can't help but wonder what's on the piece of paper that I seen in the video. You see me, I not jump to no conclusion. I did not get a good look at the paper, so I cannot confirm what exactly that paper is. You see me, I say, my people, I only can go by what I seen in the video and wonder certain things and think certain things. I cannot say this or that because of the situation I'd say. But people, leave a comment or comment so let me know what you think, alright? Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, you can hear a person talking about someone. And based on some words that the person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person said that the person had been killed. Yes, so may I say viewers and subscribers. Now, I think some of you have a good idea as to who this person was talking about. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe. You can also tell me what you think.
Dog, gonna listen to this, dog. I don't even know who that call me. Me not take no call right now. I'm mad right now, cause my dog dead. And the dog never have to dead. I'm mad. You see me?
No scammer can't drive in a club. Mad man. Me no love me, no but can't cut up. Me no want to love, dog. You hear me? I say, Father, love now, put me nowhere again.
I tell the dog, say, bro. I tell the dog, say, bro, I love you, you know, dog, and I don't want nothing wrong with you, you know. You know why I tell my dog, say, I love him? You see, when time I shoot my first music video, that depression. That is it. Depression. You see, when I shoot my first music video, that the man that came fat more cakes come. One Kyle of money, so. And fat more cakes. And I go some, I did buy a buckler. I did buy a buckler NSC. I'm a bossy NSC and say, watch out, me and you drink this. You see me? Big woman level. It dog come and, if you don't look for my first video, just go on my page on YouTube. Just go on my page and click the YouTube icon. And me and the dog in my video, the dog in my music video. The dog in my music video and the markets were in their theme. The Kyle of money were there in their theme. One Kyle of blood clot, $100, 100 note US. You see me? Big old Kyle of 100 note US. I want to see me a dash in a music video. A real money here. Don't feel like a fake money. In a real life. Rich. My dog rich. Money is not the dog problem. Assets, the dog have 5 house. The dog have 3 car. Excluding the one where them take away. Because them take away one pro box for him. You see me? Big woman level. Tap up a screen my side. If everybody tap up a screen till the red bar full, me go as reach ranking. 756 people over here my side. Contribute to my life goal if you can contribute to it. Me not pressure nobody. But it don't cost nothing to tap up the screen. You see me? It don't cost nothing to tap up the screen. So tap up the screen. My side, what I'm trying to say to you guys is, if you know I go through spiritual battle, if you know I battle demons in our brain, don't afraid to talk to somebody about it. The dog that go through it rough, brother. The dog that go through it rough. And no matter how I talk to the dog, I truly don't know, dog. I feel it for my dog, you know, brother. I feel it for the dog, you know. The dog never have to dead, you know, brother. Them take one of the dog car. So them think they make the dog get mad to car. The car where them take away, the dog buy it for him daughter. You see me? Can you want to put it on the road for run taxi? Him did a meds for run taxi with it. But him also da rents for the rental with it. And I say that there go be him daughter and daughter account that they go to. You see me? Of course, friend against him, family against him. Yeah, him dead. Him dead yesterday. Them kill him yesterday. And then the police kill him, you know? And the police kill him, so you know how that go. You see me my side? Me I tell you on my side. Yes, my bro. Big up. If you know I go through spiritual warfare, if you know I battle demons in our brain, talk to somebody. You see me? My dog did just need prayers. Prayers the dog did need.
Bad man, just put the thing by your status now, no father. Put it by your status, more I see it. And say, dog, watch the brother. Me no love me, no but can't cut up. Me no want to love, dog. You hear me? I say, Father, love now, put me nowhere again. Bad people, hear that? Man in my bumper pocket.
On the ear pain, me just pull up your stuff on the ear, the pain.
Put me nowhere again. Bad people, hear that? Man in my bumper pocket. Everywhere me go charge you. My gun down the face. I want to my father 7 to 10, brother. I'm going to say 4 in a dog. Open my door in a dog. Gunman out. You hear me tell dog? Some play me dog. You get me, I say? Dog, right now I'm dead, dog. I'm not million not talk to me out. Don't look for my father. I'm not here, hear that? Dog, watch the...
Bro, the man literally tell me when the man call me upon the voice, when the man call me upon the video call when I tell man say 7, me dead in a dog and me I go dead, you know. The dog tell me, dog say me dead, you know. And I go dead. Brother, you know what it is for your meds them way there? Elizabeth said depression for real. No joke. It's depression. The pain was too much for the dog anger. The dog couldn't manage the pain. The dog couldn't manage the pain my side. 800 and odd people up on the live. Everybody tap up the screen, please. You see me? Wanna send me some art, please. You see me? A reason where they are a reason. Look like the dog liar. The dog liar. The dog liar. Believe me, I tell you some dog liar. 900 odd people on the live. Everybody tap up the screen. Everybody tap up the screen. How did he die? Them shoot him up. You see me? Them shoot him up, and it wasn't police, so you know how that go. The dog was battling mentally. You see me? As well as physically. Couldn't manage the pressure. Couldn't manage the depression. Depression is real my side. Depression is real my side. You know, share up a live. Depression is a real thing. Depression can drive you to death. Depression can kill. It might sound funny. It might not sound real. But this is all depression.
So my people, so that video I'm present to you. Yeah, that video is piece of a live recording. I'm not telling you, the person who you're talking at the video says some positive words. Me I tell you the truth, my people. So me I say some positive words. But genuine, my people, you know, depression is a real thing. Mental illness, and a joke thing. So me I say, so that person there play some audios as evidence, you know, and basically I make it be known, say know the person, and you know, I play the audio them as evidence. So me I say, I respect the person who you can see and hear in the video that I just presented to you. I respect the person for doing a live like that or a video like that. So me I say, no, my people, don't get me wrong. So me I say, based on this new type of understanding that I'm getting about the person, so me I say, it goes to show that sometimes reaching out to someone might help save a life. Might help save a life, I say. You see me I say, my people, you see, because don't get me wrong, me not bash nobody I say anything bad about anyone, but the first time I see a video that shows the person who the person in the video that I just presented to you was talking about, I saw the person holding something that looks like a gun in that video. I said, look like a gun. You see me I said? And the person has said some words in the video as well too. The thoughts were coming in my head was not about the mental illness. Me start to think other type of things. I mean, know say quite a number of people might think to themselves and I say, okay, this man so and so and so and so. Who knows what some people are going to think? You understand what I say? But after a certain time pass, it's a different understanding me I get about the person and certain situation. You see? So all of them things there, you know, maybe if Jamaica and the world is set away where when somebody got through some form of mental illness, maybe by talking to someone or easier access to talk to someone and express how them feel could have cut down on enough of the crime and violence them. I say could I, you know, meaning could have cut down on some of the crime and violence them or prevent some of the crime and violence them. So I say, yeah, and don't get me wrong, you know, I not condone to no crime nor no violence. Me no support them things. I don't support crime and violence. Me just I say maybe certain type of social intervention or maybe by, you know, reasoning with a friend or talking to even the police, you know, can help to cut down on some of the crime and violence. I tell you. My people, who knows what that person was going through mentally. I'm not sure what that person was going through mentally, but the whole situation confusing. You know what I mean? What are your thoughts about the person who had been killed? You know, the person who the person talk about. You understand? Yeah, he's a person who was seen in a video, I think at least one video, saying some harsh words and making threats and all them things there. So I say, what are your thoughts based on some information that you might have got about the person? You see me? Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.